Practice number 2 has a 10-member club, and in that 10-member club there's 3 questions that are asked. The first is, how many possibilities do they have for electing a president, vice president, and treasurer? Well, this is order matters. It matters whether you're the president or the vice president or the treasurer. So this is a classic permutation question. Again, if you go to mathisfun.com, you can actually find a calculator that will do this calculation for you. I'm showing you how to do it by hand just so that you understand how to do that. We're going to use the permutation formula, which is n factorial. That's 10 factorial, 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6, and then n minus r is 10 minus 3 factorial, which is 7 factorial, which is 7 times 6 times 5 times and the everything past 7 cancels out, so we end up with 10 times 9 times 8, which is 720. So that's the first one for the permutations. The second question is, how many different possibilities for a 4-person subcommittee? Okay, so again, we're using the combination formula here because it doesn't matter if you're the first or the 4th person selected for this committee. So the numerator is 10 factorial, 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5, and so on. The denominator, 10 minus 4 is 6 factorial, 6 times 5 times 4, and so on. And then we have 4 factorial over here. And we notice that a lot of things cancel out, everything from 6 beyond. We can do a lot of canceling in here. When we finally get to the final answer, it is 210. Then the last one is all female subcommittee. Again, we have to find out the number of ways that 4 women could be selected from the 6 women on the committee, and put that over the just 4 people from anybody on the committee. So again, it's 6 factorial, 6 times 5 times 4 times 3, and then it's 6 minus 4 is 2 factorial, and then it's times 4 factorial over what we just did, which is 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 and so on, over 6 factorial, that's 10 minus 4, times 4 factorial. We can see that the 4 factorials cancel out, a lot of things cancel out. We're left with 15 over 210 for this one. You could probably reduce it even, well, you definitely could reduce it more than that, but that is the fraction that we have for the probability, and we would just divide the top into the bottom into the top to get the decimal equivalent to that.